So here we are.
Good morning, Columbine Twining National Recreation Trail. Starts right there. No ATVs, no motorized vehicles, just peeps.
Sun is coming up. It's about 9 a.m. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful hike today. Can't wait. Bear warning. There are bears in the area. Woodpecker. There you go. Okay, we have reached the first bridge.
Bridge number 2.
bridge number 3 at, what's our mileage?
1.4.
So about a mile and a half. So what do you think of the trail?
Nice trail, nice shade. Crosses back and forth over the river a few times as you get up to this point. I think we've been over 3 times. Bridges to cross, so easy to get across.
And any skill level could do this?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's a nice family hike.
Absolutely. We've seen a guy with a kid in a pack. We've seen older folks and people that probably shouldn't be here or here, but it's all good. You're out enjoying nature. So.
Yeah. So how would you compare this to Santa Barbara Campground, West Fork Trail?
I like West Fork Trail better.
Yeah.
I thought it was more picturesque, or as the Colorado guy said, it was like being in a fairy tale.
Yeah, this one you stay in the canyon mostly. You're not really coming out to panoramic views going, ooh, ah. This is a little bit more sedate, but it's pretty.
Absolutely.
It's just not as dramatic as West Fork, maybe.
The pines, the aspens, every now and again a ponderosa, but we're pretty much above the ponderosa elevation, so some spruce.
Yep, good
and
hike.
Butterflies.
And some butterflies.
This was a very busy hike today, and we enjoyed it, but there were lots and lots of day hikers, families and singles. So keep that in mind. If you found the information in this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, we have more in stock. So subscribe and you won't miss a thing. And as I always say, get out there and hug a tree.